Thank you for visiting Red Pen Technologies and viewing our video today. This is the Einstein Tablet Plus, and this demonstration will quickly show the Einstein World application. You'll see once we launch the application, it immediately goes to asking for a username and password. If you haven't done so, you can click on the Sign Up feature, and it'll quickly take you to a web page for the Android sign up, and this is very similar to the iOS platform as well. You would come in, enter your name as an instructor, username and password. We highly recommend when you use the username, if you're testing this out for a form of a pilot, is that you use something generic that you feel comfortable sharing with students, because all of the students that utilize the application within your lab will use the same username to start. And the password, we highly recommend you do not use anything sensitive, maybe to your own personal email or your school email, etc. Use something relatively generic until you are comfortable with the platform and really ready to roll it out, perhaps across the school district. And you'll see here we need an email address. You'll identify what country you're registering from, state and zip code, and a few other things for security's sake, and then just accept the terms and send to move on. Okay, coming back to the application, once you've signed in, it'll quickly take you to the application, but inside the application right now it would be empty. There aren't any activities or experiments set up ahead of time. So what would you do then? If we click on this Learn More feature, it's going to take us right to the Activities Store, and within the Activities Store you would use that same username that you've just created to sign in. And once you've signed in, you can browse through any of the activities that we have available in the store. You can come in and search for specific experiments or using specific sensors by just adding a word into the keyword search here, or you can come in to the grade, and maybe you are looking for third grade through fifth grade, or maybe third through middle school based experiments. And after you add that search field in here, it'll sort by all of the different activities that are available just for that. And you'll see there are some in multiple languages, so of course you can come in and remove, if we clear all of the check marks into that search and then only add the English. For those customers viewing from the United States, you'll see all of the activities that are set out for that age group and in that specific language. And say you want to understand more about static electricity and an ornament. Once you click on that particular activity, it's going to give you a few sample screenshots here. It's also going to give a demonstration, a description of what the experiment will be, what sensors are needed, if any are required for this particular experiment. Here's a direct link to that activity. Should you ever need to go back to it at a later time, you can copy that link. And here's the download button. You'll see this particular activity is free. So you can go and click that download, and now the next time you come back to your own Einstein tablet device and use your username from the tablet itself and use that username and password that we were just in the store with, when you sign in, it'll automatically pull down any of those activities that you've chosen to use as part of your lesson. So that is the Einstein World application and a little bit on the Einstein Store. Thank you very much for watching, and please come back and visit us at Red Pen Technology at redpentech.com. Thank you.